Today I'll be unboxing my new saddle tray which I just ordered from MotoTorque a couple of days ago. So here we have this package and I'm yet to open. So I have my accessories ready. These are just the invoice details. So let me just slice this real quick. This side as well. Okay. Let's cut the sides a little bit. So here we have 2 to 3 parts. So this component goes to the left side and this component goes to the right, and this component lies at the rear portion of my Himalayan. I think they have also sent an instruction manual. There seems to be 5 parts required, so the parts are already there. I just have to give this to a decent mechanic who can fit this. I'd better go to a mechanic shop rather than trying to fit it myself. See you guys there. Bye. The mechanical shop which I'm going is just a couple of kilometers from here. So here we go. I'm carrying all those parts in my shoulder bag. It definitely weighs a lot. Yeah, so here we are. So this is after the installation of the saddle stays. So it's quite sturdy. So now you can see it has the armored look. It feels kind of like a tank just to ride the bike now.